2, 1. So we're gonna drop this Rubik's Cube 100 feet. I have a camera down there in slow motion, hopefully you can see it. But here goes nothing. Let's go. Alright, here he goes. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Did you guys see that?
Crap.
That is madness. Hopefully we got that down there in slow-mo. Okay guys, so here is the damage. There are pieces everywhere. I think this is the core. Oh yeah, definitely it is. Look at this, guys. I mean, it is just pure madness. There's so many pieces over here. It is just ridiculous. Ready? Dropping in 3,